Good morning to one and all present here. I, Ritika Kumari, is going to give project presentation on topic food delivery app using Stack. These are the contents I have used in my presentation. Introduction to full stack. What is front end and back end? What is HTML, DOM, CSS, JavaScript, ES6, and the project architecture and the futures, and at last conclusion. First of all, let us see what is full stack. So full stack typically refers to a developer or engineer who is skilled and knowledgeable in working on both the front end and back end aspects of web or software development. Handles all aspects of web application development, bridging the gap between the user interface and sites server side operation. Creates seamless user experiences and ensure the application's functionality. So full stack basically means MERN stack, and the full form for MERN is M stands for MongoDB, which is a document database for storing and mapping the app's data. E stands for Express.js. It is a web framework for building and routing the app's backend. R stands for React.js. It is a JavaScript library for building the app's frontend. And N is Node.js. It is a JavaScript runtime environment for running the app's backend. So the biggest advantage of full stack coding is being able to build rich and robust application on your own. Next, let us discuss about what is front end and what is back end. So front end is basically the visible part of a website or application. It deals with the user interface and user experiences. It involves HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. It focuses on creating an engaging and user-friendly interface. The technology used for front end are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Frameworks and library used are React, Angular, or Vue for efficient development. Now let us see what is backend. So backend is basically the behind scene part of a web application. It handles data storage, processing, and server side logic, manages database server, configurations, and APIs. It ensures the application functionality, security, and performance. The technology used in backends are like programming languages, Java, Python, PHP, Node.js, etc. Databases like MySQL, MongoDB, Redis, etc. Server technologies like Apache, IIS, etc. Frameworks are like Django for Python and Express.js for Node.js. Now let us see what is APIs. It stands for Application Programming Interface. It allows communication between different software components. Hypertext Markup Language. It is basically denoted by HTML. So HTML is standard markup language for creating web pages. Hypertext means text within text. A text which has a link within it is known as hypertext. Markup language mark up a text documents with tags that tells a web browser how to structure the document to display. HTML is a subset of a standard generalized markup language. It is used to create web pages. People used web browser to access the desired websites for computer, tablet, or mobile devices. Browser renders the web pages to the screen so that content can be seen by user. HTML is extensively used in online solutions such as social media, blogging, trading, insurance, e-commerce, banking, information provided by news, governments, and many more. So in this project, we are going to use HTML version 5. So why HTML version 5 has been used in this project? It is a new standard for HTML, XHTML, and HTML DOM, which stands for Document Object Model. It is a cooperation. It is a cooperation between World Wide Web Consortium and Hypertext Application Technology Working Group. So that is why we are using HTML version 5. Now let us see what is HTML DOM. So HTML means markup language and DOM means document object model. So the document consists of a root element, that is our HTML tag, and the is head tag, and the second children is body tag. Head tag consists of consists of element like title tag, and it consists of text, any type of text, whatever we want to give for our web pages. For example, here we have taken my first web page, and in body tag there could be elements, many elements in the form of text. Now let us see what is cascading style sheet. So cascading style sheet is a design language intended to simplify the process of making web pages presentable. CSS handle the look and feel part of a web pages. If HTML is the foundation, then CSS is the flair. Style formation can be included in three ways: inline, internal, and external. Now let us discuss about these three style formation. First is inline sheet. Inline sheet is a term that refers to a style sheet information being applied to the current element inside tag by using style attribute. So here we can see a syntax. We have taken one tag, and inside that we are using style with property one value and property or n number of properties we can take. Let us see the example for this. We have taken a p tag, and inside that we have used a style tag. For font family, we have taken Arial, and for color, we have given green. Now next, let us see internal style sheet. It defines style sheet rules in header section of HTML, which is used to add unique styles for a single document. Let us see the syntax. Here, head tag has been taken. Inside head tag, style has been taken, and inside style, selector has been taken, where we are writing the properties and with their values. So this is your internal style sheet. Now let us discuss about external styles sheet. It is a separate file where you can declare all the styles that you want to use on your website. It is an ideal for this condition because it facilitates you to change the look of the entire website by changing just one file. It uses link tag in every page, and the link tag should be put inside the head section. For example, we want to create a file and name it as extension.css. Since this is a CSS file of three styles, so in this we are going to make a style.css file, and in that style.css file we will write the code. Body, that background color is dark light green, color is azure, and font size is 1.1, and then header color is coral. Let us see example 2. Link the style sheet from the HTML document. So here we have taken head, and then head tag, then title tag, which consists of my external style sheet heading, and inside title tag we have taken the link tag with rel is equals to style sheet and href is equals to style.css. So this was about external style sheet. Now let us discuss about what is JavaScript. It is a programming language designed for a web pages. It is embedded directly into HTML pages and interpreted client-side event-based language. It is dynamic, lightweight, and case sensitive. So till now we have seen that HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So HTML is the actual content of a page. CSS is look of the page, what color, what style we are going to give. And JavaScript is easy control and other HTML. Now we will see about the features of ECMA script 6. Some new features added to ECMA script 6 are destructuring, spread operators, arrow function, and promises. First is destructuring. It is a practical method for obtaining numerous values from data contained in objects and arrays, which may be nested. Spread operator. The JS spread operator allows us to quickly copy all the part of the existing array or object into another array or object with the help of three dot operator. That is only known as spread operator. Arrow function. Arrow function allows us to write shorter function. Promise. JavaScript's interpretive nature leads to sequential code execution, potentially causing delays when certain tasks take time. This issue blocks subsequent code line. Promise offers solution. When encountering blocking code, they execute it asynchronously in the background, ensuring smooth continuation of the remaining code lines. This enables efficient handling of time-consuming operations while maintaining code flow. So this was about ECMA script 6. Now let us talk about our food delivery app project. So the purpose of this project is to develop a food delivery app where using a MERN stack, that is MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js stack. The app allows user to order food items. The app is designed to be user friendly with a clean and modern interface. So this is one of the screenshot of our project. Architecture. The food delivery app is built using the MERN stack. The app consists of several components, including home page, my order page, cart page, login, and logout page. The home page displays the list of restaurants and includes a search bar and filter options. The menu page displays the list of items in the menu and allow the user to add item to their cart. The cart page displays the list of items in the user's cart and allows the user to place an order. The confirmation page displays the details of the user's order with its delivery address. After confirming the order, it will redirect to payment page and then to the order history page where user can see their order history. So what are the features of this project? First is user authentication. It allows user to sign up, log in and manage their profile, that is update user profile and passwords. And next is browse restaurants. It allows to display a list of restaurants with address and rating, including search and filtering options. View menus. In menus, we can see restaurants menu with dish details, prices, and images. Cart management. We can enable users to add or receive item according to their choices, just quantity, and view their cart. Order placement allow user to place orders and provide delivery address. Payment integration integrate a payment gateway for secure transaction. Order history show user their past order and order status. Responsive design ensure the website work well on different devices and screen sizes. So this is our home page of our project. This is login page. If the person is new to the app, then they need to register themselves as a new user. Then this is a sign up page. As I said before, that whoever is new to the user, they will register here and then they can log into the page. Here we can edit our profile according to our choice time to time when needed. This is the menu page. Inside the restaurant, what dishes available. This is the screenshot of our cart. Here we can see that five two items, three, four, five items has been added to our cart. Here the subtotal, that is 6 unit, and total is rupees 1046 of the items. This is the once we check out, then we need to give our delivery addresses and for payment card information. And then once the payment has been done, then our order confirmation will be done. This is the list of our or the history page, like how many times if I am ordering something, I can see my orders, that how many times I have ordered, and present order and previous orders also I can see. And this is the order detail page, just like a bill. Now, conclusion. The food app is fully functional web application that allows user to browse and order food from restaurant. It also includes features such as user accounts, order tracking, and payment processing. This food app will help user to order food from anywhere they want. Now let us see the demonstration of our project. So here we can see that here is a backend of our project and here is a front end of our project. So in front end, we have basically work on SRC folder, that is actions, components, then constants, reducers. App.css has helped us to style our food delivery app. This is our app.js code. Now let us run our code. So to open our backend, we will write the command cd backend. To connect our backend, we will write command nodemon run server. So here we can see that the message has been displayed that MongoDB database connected with host. Now for frontend, we will write the command cd frontend. And to view the front end web page, we will write the command npm start. So here we can see that our web page has been ready. Here we can see there are total 8 restaurants. Here we can see that there are total 8 restaurants. And if we want to see only pure veg restaurant, we will click to the pure veg. There are only 2 restaurants. Now, if we want to sort by reviews, then we can see that it has been sorted by reviews. First 4.5, 4.5, then 5. Now sort by ratings. So here we can see 78, 46. These have been short by rating. And now we will go to our one of the restaurants and then we will add the items to the cart.
Here we can see the message displayed, item added to the cart. Now we'll go to the cart. Here we can see that we can see our subtotal and total and the checkout option. Our Then we can go to checkout. We can route our delivery address and then we can continue with it and do the payment. Proceed for payment. Here we will write the card info and then we will see that message that our order has been confirmed. So this was our food delivery app project. Thank you.